Does the unassuming cicada, a creature we see every summer, hide an otherworldly secret? Every year, as the weather warms up, we're greeted by the familiar chorus of cicadas, their song echoing through the night. It's a sound that's become synonymous with the season, a normal part of our everyday life. We know them as insects, creatures that spend years underground only to emerge for a brief but noisy few weeks. We marvel at their long life cycles, the longest of any insect, and their mass emergences that can number in the billions. We see them as a symbol of transformation and rebirth, their discarded shells a testament to their growth. But what if there's more to these creatures than meets the eye? What if the cicadas that we see and hear each summer are not just insects, but beings from another world, living among us, plotting and strategizing in ways we can't even begin to comprehend? Unveiling the bizarre life cycle of cicadas, one begins to question the natural origins of these creatures. The cicada, a humble insect by appearance, leads a life that is anything but ordinary. They are best known for their distinctive mating call, a sound that can reach up to 100 decibels, making it one of the loudest in the insect kingdom. But that's not the only thing that sets these creatures apart. Cicadas have a unique 17-year life cycle, a period of time that is bafflingly exact and far exceeds the lifespan of most insects. While the average housefly flutters through an existence of a mere 28 days, and a butterfly graces us with its presence for about 1 year, the cicada spends a whopping 17 years in a state of dormancy, buried underground. This is a phenomenon that is peculiar to cicadas. No other insect species on this planet shares this curious lifespan. It's an anomaly, a mystery that has puzzled scientists and researchers for centuries. Can we just brush it off as a simple quirk of nature, or is there more to it? Let's delve a little deeper. The number 17 itself is interesting. It's a prime number, a number that can only be divided by 1 and itself. In the natural world, prime numbers are exceptionally rare. They don't fit into the neat cycles and patterns that nature seems to love. They are the outsiders, the odd ones out, just like cicadas. Could it be that this 17-year life cycle, this adherence to a prime number, is a sign that cicadas are not of this world? That they are, in fact, alien life forms living among us, biding their time, waiting for the right moment to reveal their true nature. The more we delve into the life of cicadas, the more questions arise. Their unique life cycle, their strange adherence to a prime number, all seem to hint at something beyond the ordinary. Can this extraordinary life cycle be an indication of an alien origin? The mystery continues to deepen, and as we pull back the veil, we find ourselves facing more questions than answers. What is the truth about these enigmatic creatures? Only time will tell. The piercing sound of the cicada's song, is it just a mating call or a form of alien communication? Let's dive into the world of these mysterious creatures and their hauntingly beautiful yet eerie symphony. Cicadas are known for their distinctive and loud sound, a sound that fills the air and leaves an impression on anyone within earshot. It's a sound unlike any other in the insect kingdom. But have you ever stopped to wonder why it's so unique? Could there be more to it than meets the ear? This sound, which can reach up to 100 decibels, is produced by a complex structure in the cicada's abdomen known as the timbal. While most insects use their wings or legs to create their calls, cicadas use this specialized organ, creating a sound that is not only louder but also more complex and intricate. But what if this isn't just a simple call to attract a mate? What if this unique sound serves another purpose? One that we humans can't grasp with our limited understanding? Imagine if these sounds were not just random noise, but coded messages sent out into the universe. Could it be that these creatures, with their alien-like life cycles and strange sounds, are transmitting signals to an extraterrestrial home? Consider this. Sound waves, like light waves, can travel through space. The cicada's song, with its unique frequency and pattern, could theoretically reach far beyond our planet, into the vast expanse of the universe. The complexity and uniqueness of the cicada's song could make it a perfect candidate for interstellar communication. It's not unlike the way we humans have used radio waves to send messages into space, hoping to contact extraterrestrial life. So next time you hear the cicada's song, remember, it's more than just a sound. It's a symphony that transcends our earthly understanding, a symphony that might just be a message to the stars. Could this be their way of communicating with their alien home? Perhaps, just perhaps, the cicada's song is not of this world, but a call to another. Every 17 years they emerge in millions, blanketing our trees and skies. A natural phenomenon or a planned invasion? Let's delve a little deeper into this peculiar occurrence, shall we? The cicada, a seemingly harmless insect, has a life cycle unlike any other in the insect kingdom. They spend most of their lives underground, only to emerge in a grand spectacle every 17 years. Yes, you heard it right, 17 years. An oddly specific number, don't you think? Now think about this. What if the cicada's unique life cycle isn't just a quirk of nature? What if it's a calculated, strategic move by an alien species? Yes, it sounds outlandish, but bear with me. Imagine, if you will, millions of these creatures appearing all at once, covering our trees, our homes, our cities, in a mass exodus from the earth beneath us. They fill the air with their eerie, pulsating song, a sound that sends shivers down the spine. A sound that perhaps carries a hidden message. This synchronized emergence of cicadas is a sight to behold, but it's also incredibly unsettling. Why 17 years? Why not 15 or 20? Why do they emerge all at once in such massive numbers? These are questions that scientists have been grappling with for years. But what if the answer lies not in our science, but in something beyond our understanding? The cicada's unique life cycle and synchronized emergence could be more than a mere biological anomaly. It could be a part of a grander scheme, a coordinated invasion by an extraterrestrial species. A species that has been living among us, unnoticed, for centuries. Could the cicadas be the foot soldiers of this alien invasion, biding their time, waiting for the right moment to strike? Could their 17-year life cycle be a countdown to something far more sinister? Could this synchronized emergence be a part of a grander alien scheme? From their alien-like appearance to their peculiar behavior, cicadas seem to defy all norms of insect life on Earth. Let's take a moment to revisit the startling evidence we've uncovered so far. First and foremost, we have their near-cosmic life cycles. While most insects live for a few weeks to a couple of years, cicadas have a life cycle that spans nearly 2 decades. That's right, folks. Some cicadas live underground for up to 17 years before emerging to breed. This is not just unusual, it's practically unheard of in the insect world. Then we have the strange and otherworldly sounds they create. Unlike the chirps and buzzes of other insects, cicadas emit a high-pitched drone that's eerie and unsettling. Some say it's a mating call, but what if it's something more? Could it be a form of alien communication, a signal sent out to their extraterrestrial brethren? We also can't ignore the sheer numbers in which these creatures emerge. Trillions of cicadas appear almost overnight, blanketing entire areas in a sea of buzzing red-eyed aliens. This isn't a mere invasion, it's a complete takeover. And yet, despite their overwhelming numbers, they cause no significant harm to humans or the environment. It's as if they're here for a different purpose altogether. Lastly, let's not forget their bizarre and alien-like appearance. With their bulging red eyes, transparent wings, and chunky bodies, they look less like insects and more like creatures from another planet. It's almost as if they're wearing a disguise, posing as insects to blend in with Earth's life forms. When you connect the dots, the picture becomes clear. The cicada's unique life cycle, their strange sounds, their mass emergence, and their alien-like appearance, it all points to one conclusion. These are not just bugs, they could be extraterrestrial beings living among us. With all this evidence, can we still consider cicadas as just another insect? Cicadas, the creatures that fill our summer nights with their songs, could they truly be aliens in disguise? Let's take a moment to reflect on what we've uncovered. We've delved into the peculiar life cycle of cicadas, their 17-year slumber only to rise en masse like an army. We've explored the eerie sound waves they emit, frequencies not found in any other insect species, and the invasion-like phenomenon when they emerge in billions, blanketing our landscapes. We've presented evidence that challenges the norm, the inexplicable patterns, the strange behaviors, and the alien-like characteristics. The theory may sound far-fetched, but isn't it the far-fetched theories that often lead to groundbreaking revelations? Let this be a call to observe, to question, and to explore the world around us with fresh eyes and an open mind. Next time you see a cicada, remember, it might just be an alien living among us.